Did you know? Every day, the average person has up to 70,000 thoughts racing through their mind. And here's something wild. Your saliva can actually kill certain types of bacteria naturally. Around 70% of people believe that your personality can be predicted based on your zodiac sign and birth date. Drop yours in the comments. Maybe someone shares the same one. Another surprising fact, when you sneeze, your heart literally stops beating for a split second. And get this, when you sleep in a cold room, you're more likely to have strange or vivid dreams.